It is your duty to prevent your crankshaft journal from damage. How can you prevent crankshaft journal from getting damaged? That is what I'm going to tell you in this video. I'll tell you 7 things you have to do to ensure your crankshaft journal is not damaged. Let me take you to the crankshaft and see how you can protect your crankshaft journal. This is a crankshaft, and these are the journals. These are the journals. These are the journals. So you have main journals and conrod journals. These are the journals. How can you prevent these journals? How can you carry out maintenance on it so that the crankshaft journal will not get damaged? The first thing is regular oil change. If you can have your oil change regularly, then your crankshaft journal will not get damaged. To do that, you have to follow the manufacturer prescription on when to change your oil. Avoid oil sludge. When the oil overstay, it turns to oil sludge, and that will cause damage to your crankshaft journal. And what is number 2? Number 2 is you need to replace the bearing assert when due. You need to know how many miles you need to run before you have to replace the journal bearing. The journal bearing prevents the crankshaft. Even if you are having regular oil change and your bearing are bad, it's going to cause damage. During engine rebuild, ensure you replace the bearings, the crankshaft bearing. They are protecting your crankshaft. If you want to maintain a good crankshaft, you need to protect it. Number 3 is avoid oil starvation at all cost. You see this O? It is oil O. This O lubricate the crankshaft. The oil lubricate the crankshaft. So when you have oil starvation, you are condemning the whole crankshaft. You need to avoid oil starvation at all costs for you to have a good crankshaft journal. That is number. Then let's go to number 4. You need to use the right oil. Yes, every engine has the right oil. I am not to tell you the right oil for your engine. Check the manufacturer manual and know the SAE for your right oil. If you don't have the right oil, friction will happen, and that will cause damage to your crankshaft journal. So for you to maintain your crankshaft journal, you need to know the right oil to use. Then number 6, you need to change. Number 5, you need to change your oil filter regularly. You know, the oil filter helps to remove physical particles from your oil or dirty, while the oil strainer help you to remove a bigger oil particles from your oil. So you need to ensure that during your engine servicing, you also change the oil filter so that particles will not escape and damage the crankshaft journal. What is number 6? Avoid overload. Whether your engine is generator or whatever, if you have excessive overload, it will cause damage to your crankshaft journal. So you need to avoid overloading. Overloading is not a friend to your engine, to your journal, to your crankshaft. Then number 7, which is the last one I'm going to mention here, is prevent overheating at all costs. When your engine overheats at a particular time, it transfers to your crankshaft, and that is the journal that will suffer it. Please avoid engine overheating, especially for the crankshaft to overheat. Prevent overheating. These are the clean 7 ways in which you can prevent or you can maintain your crankshaft journal. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I have another video that talks about crankshaft, how to identify crankshaft timing mark. Go to that description below. You'll see the video. Click the video and watch it. It is very, very interesting. See you in that video.